So this is the first server, and this time I'm gonna install. And remember that it gave us that error message, and this time it's not giving us that error message. So this second server, we are going to do exactly the same thing. We provide settings, and then we can go to so here provide the ISO and browse. Need to go to the ISOs here and down. You can select the ISO right from here as well. And once this is done, press enter. The installation will start. So I'm going to create the third server. You can customize right from here as well. So we can edit the virtual machine right from here. And so let's look at the first server in the meantime. So I just already clicked edit. So here we need to provide. So this time I'm just gonna make sure that this is the right place. So you can click browse, go to where your ISOs are. So first one, we need to select the desktop experience. So we are going to use the desktop experience for full installation, and click next. Here, custom. So you see by following by not providing the ISO, the installation is going smooth in the beginning. So this is the second server, and we will do exactly the same thing for server 2016 installation. And this is the third server. Third server, we actually forgot to UEFI. We disable the UEFI install. So here, I'm gonna go back to the settings. So two things we need to do whenever we work with server 2016. Number one, disable the UEFI install, and secondly, provide the ISO. So here I'm going to go into options, advanced, change to BIOS, and next, and power on. So this other server, we will select the desktop experience and continue with the normal installation. So making this basic infrastructure will take around maybe half an hour or so. And so once this is done, this infrastructure is done, then we will do the basic configuration. It will restart few times, and then we will install Active Directory, join all of them together. Now Active Directory is not required in failover clustering, but Active Directory definitely makes it smoother, the installation, the authentication, and all. So we are going to install Active Directory in this as well. So here server 2, server 3 is starting up, and we will follow the prompt.